expect it. Did Jimmy take a shit today? A little bit. Where was my tweet, Ryan? All right, so what happened? Well, it looks like we had some nice upward pressure and delta exposure into the early parts of the day, peaking at 153. We immediately saw long call capitulation of the $100 calls, deep in the money calls, which pulled the floor out from under the stock. And we saw deep in the money puts come in right when we came back to that 148 resistance, driving the price down even further, which led to more call selling, which drove the price down further, which led to more call selling. We seem to have stabilized here at the 135 range. These 130, 135 calls are a significant chunk of retail's weekly FOMO. We could hold this range provided people don't sell. However, people holding 135s with a 610 expiry are feeling the pain right now. People holding 130s are okay, but they've lost a lot of potential gains. So we'll see if these start to sell off tomorrow. We could see further downside. Philadelphia Exchange continues to launder CNS volume in the most obvious way possible. And yeah, that's about it. If this price action continues to the downside and we fall below gamma neutral, the shorts will take control of the chain. The negative delta hedge to the downside from that point is quite strong. And that could rapidly accelerate our downward price movement, as we saw today. But more so, higher concentration of puts at those levels. We are seeing shares returned and the borrow rate drop. That is not bullish. Fidelity will drop at a reduced rate and may still continue to increase for a few more days, even though IBKR is falling off. But GameStop's about to be pretty cheap again, so that's cool. Again, covered calls, very dangerous. The longs do continue to retain control of the chain. If buy pressure were to come in, or an external force or a catalyst were to appear, with longs in control of the chain, any short or short interest positions would be blown the fuck up quickly. So as long as we remain above gamma neutral, the tendency for the stock will be to move up. It will move up more strongly than it will move down. So I know it's tough, positionally very difficult. Patience is key. Gamma neutral today is around like 117 or something like that. It'll meet with our price action. It'll rise up to meet our dropping price action. Is there an option entry DD from you for the OPEC cycle? No, because it's different every time. So you can't really write a DD on it. There's no perfect way to time it. Generally, the period where the best possible entry is, and which you can see in hindsight, is very, very short-lived. There's a period of positional flip that's maybe 30 minutes long where IV and price are at their lowest. New member. Oh shit, Robert Dole. Thank you so much for becoming a Dillionaire, man. DM me. I'll get you added.
Happy birthday, Gherkin.
Yeah. Do your best for me.
Yeah, we might have chance, but we ain't got roll.
Alright, thank you guys so much for tuning in.
Cash in advance, cause we hold it to float. If you are
I appreciate it, and I'll see you bright and early tomorrow.
When the shit squeeze, we go end up with the moon, man. Racks to the 510 weeklies, while I'm selling CCs like another fucking moon, man. Praise be to RC and the BY, please, cause I need you to be the moon soon, man. Got the man GG on the CNBC saying that he ain't seeing no collusion. And we might be apes, but we ain't that Joe. Motherfucker, trade this popcorn code. When the Citadel fails, I'm a bomber on boat. Sail the Elliott waves like a Kramer on coke. Yo, but we ain't no coke.